For problem number 15, a battery labeled 12 volts supplies 1.5 or 1.9 amps to a 6 ohm resistor. What is the terminal voltage of the battery? And then what is the internal resistance? So let me read that again because I need to process that. That one's a little more challenging. So a battery labeled 12 volts supplies 1.9 amps to a 6 ohm resistor. What is the terminal voltage of the battery? Okay, got it. What is the internal resistance? So let's start to label some of the things that they have. We're looking for a voltage, and they give us a current, 1.90 amps, and then they give us a resistance. Let me think about this. 6 ohms, and so this might confuse some people. While 12 volts is a voltage and it's a battery, technically this is EMF, which is an electromotive force, which I think is going to help us with part B. So to find the voltage, the terminal voltage of the battery, I think we're just going to need to do V. Remember the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance is V is equal to IR. So then I'm just going to say 1.9 amps times 6 ohms. And if I plug that in, it should give me 11.4 volts. And that's correct. Okay, so that's good. But now for this last one, for part B, this is going to be a little tricky. It says, what is the internal resistance? And so voltage can also be calculated by using the electromotive force minus the current times the resistance. Okay. And that's what they're asking us when we talk about the internal resistance. So I need to solve this for R. So to solve this for R, I think I would get R is equal to, or no, wait. Yeah, that's what I'm solving for. So R is equal to, so I take the V, it'd end up being E minus V all over I think. Let me think that through. I move the E over to the other side. Then I divide by negative I. And I toss the negative to the front. That would work. Okay, good. So, the electromotive force is 12 volts minus my voltage that I just calculated, which was 11.4. all over the current, which we said was 1.90 amps. Let me think this through, double check. Yeah, that's right. Voltage per amp is ohms. So we've got 0.32, if you plug that in your calculator, ohms. Okay? So that's part B.